Simple Mobile CRM is the latest project from the BART Solutions. Today, we would talk about Smart Call. Just click on an opportunity, find a contact and then click on Smart Call. However, if you have not yet purchased a Smart Call package, you will be redirected to the package purchase page to complete the purchase and then get back to the call. Next, you need to go to your caller ID.ds to add your caller ID. Type your phone number, click Submit. Then you will receive a call. Please follow the voice prompts in the phone to enter the verification code. If you hear a prompt of number added successfully, you could go to make a smart call. A smart call will record your conversation with the customer, and the recording will appear in history after hanging up. Just click the dialog, click Transcribe to, click English. Wait for short moment, you will see the transcription there.
What's up?
Hey there, how's it going?
Short call.
Good. Yeah, this is a short one. I'm recording this one and seeing how the transcript.
So download Simple Mobile CRM today and try out the Smart Call.